Alright, let's move on to question 2 and 3. These ones are inequalities. Yeah, they're both inequalities, but one of them you're solving for a variable. On this one, it's a compound inequality. Notice the two inequality signs. That means we have two inequalities we need to solve. This one's one of those that has that's compacted. So you look at the left two items, and then you solve that. So you got negative 16 less than 2x minus 10. And then you look at the two right items, and you solve that inequality, which is 2x minus 10 less than 12. Okay, so now when you solve both of these separately, and remember, whenever you have the compacted version, it's always an and compound inequality. So left side, let's get rid of the 10 on the right side, because I'm choosing the right side for my variable, because it's already there. Left side, negative 6 plus 10, that should be a 10, is less than 2, because there's no more 10x. There's no more 10. We need to get rid of the 2, so divide by 2. Now we got negative 3 is less than x. Lovely. Right side. I notice my variables on the left side here, so I'm going to get rid of the 10, because I'm choosing the left side to be the one with my variable, because there's no variables on the right side. So it sounds great to me. Right side, 12 plus 10 gets you 22. Divide by the 2, and you get x is less than 11. Notice I did not switch any of my inequality signs because I divided by a positive. Anytime the number on bottom is positive, you don't switch. But if the number on bottom is negative, then you would switch the direction of your inequality. And remember, this is an AND situation. And so, really, you got x's between negative 3 and 11, because it's greater than negative 3 and less than 11, so you can really write your answer like so. 11. Ta-da! Just like that. Let's move on to 3. We need to solve for x. Remember, that was the instructions here. Solve for x. So let's hop over to this. We need to get this x here all by his lonesome. So let's get rid of the ly by adding ly to both sides. And the dx sticks around for a little bit longer. The negative 12q and ly do not combine, so we just leave it how they are. We need to get rid of the d, so divide by d, divide by d. And we got x is less than negative 12q plus ly over d. And that's really our answer. Something to note real quick though is that this is assuming d is positive. If d was negative, we would have to switch the direction of that symbol there, because we'd be dividing by a negative number, and whenever you do that, you have to switch the direction of your inequality. So really this has two answers, but it's kind of trivial. If we knew d was negative, we would know to switch our inequality sign. So, side note, and that's it for 3.